wood-fired pizza from your own backyard. It's delicious, it's beautiful, some say it's sexy. I couldn't afford an oven for years, so I designed one, and now I'm going to show you how to build an inexpensive wood-fired pizza oven. I take my gas grill and add a couple of elements in order to make it a pizza oven. I have a double wall grill which helps with the heat. I put a plate on top which controls the heat escape, and then I put my pizza stones inside the grill. I have 2 stones in case I'm cooking more than just a pizza. My next step is just make sure, since I have 2 stones, that the door closes. You want a good seal in order to retain heat. This is good, and now we're going to move on to the next step. Foil, fold it over a couple of times and make a 90-degree angle out of it. Then I'm going to take out my grate and my flame arrestor, and I have a smoke box I'm going to use. You can just use a can if you want. If you don't have a smoke box, then I light my rotisserie. If you don't have a rotisserie, that's okay. The point is that you just try and generate heat. And so I close it and I'm going to let it warm up, and then I'm going to turn on all of my burners and light them on fire. Then I'm going to step away for a few minutes and let the heat that box up. Now we got control of that heat that's being released out of the back of the burners or the back of the barbecuer. So that's where that piece of aluminum foil comes in. I just lay it up there up on top and try to reduce the opening so more heat stays in. And we're going to grab some hardwood pellets. This is a blended mixture, and I'm going to put them in that box. You can put them in a can, drop them in, and you're just going to lay them in there. Close the lid, or just close your barbecuer and just wait a few minutes, and you can start smelling those pellets, and they're going to catch on fire, and that's going to give us our desirable wood flavored to the pizza crust and to the entire pizza. And you can see that the heat has gone past the normal range. I've got up to 750 degrees with this. There's 681 right there. All depends on where I push it or put it. You can see with a double wall, you control the heat on the outside so it's not too hot. And there you have it, a wood-fired pizza in my own backyard, yours as well. Please subscribe. I'm going to be posting my pizza dough recipe here next. It's delicious. Your friends and your family will enjoy this. It is so good.